Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. Welcome back to Maths online class. So, in the previous week, we were discussing with the topic HCF and we learned how to find HCF by listing factors. In today's class, we can learn how to find HCF by prime factorization method. Usually, we are finding HCF by prime factorization method. If in the question they are not mentioning any specific method, we find HCF by prime factorization method. So, today we can have a look on how to find HCF by prime factorization method and we can solve some example questions. So, we can have a look on the example question. Here, the questions are 16 and 24. We need to find HCF by prime factorization method. So, here the numbers are 16 and 24. We are finding by prime factorization method. So, the first step is prime factorize the given two numbers. So, first we are going to prime factorize 16 and 24. So, we prime factorized both the numbers. What are the prime factorization of 16? Since it is an even number, I started with 2 and when divided by 2, we got 8. Again, it is an even number, so we divide with 2. Again, we got 4. Again, an even number, so we again use 2 and 2. It's a prime number, so only factor is 2 itself, so 2. So, what we got the prime factorization? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Just confirm your answer is correct or not. What is 2 into 2? 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. So, the prime factorization of 16 is correct. And all the numbers here we used are prime. That is the main point. Next number is 24. Again, it is an even number. So, we started with 2. 2 in 24, how many times? 12. Again, 12 is an even number. So, 2. 2 in 12, 6. Again, 2. 2 in 6, 3. 3 is a prime number and an odd number. So, we cannot use 2. So, we are using what? 3 itself. So, 3 in 3, 1. Now, what is the prime factorization of 24? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Again, confirm whether all the numbers are prime. 2 and 3 are prime and multiply 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 24. So, our prime factorization first step is over. What is our first step? That we prime factorized both the numbers. Next, we need to find HCF. What is HCF? Highest common factor. So, in the question itself is the common factor. So, you have two numbers factor here. Write what is common only there. So, we can find out what all are common here. Here 1, 2 is there. Here also 1, 2 is there. So, 1, 2 is common here. So, we can write that first. Again, we have here also one more 2, here also one more 2, isn't it? So, that is also common. Again, we have one more 2 here, here also there is 2. So, how many 2's are there? 3 2's are there, isn't it? So, we can mark that also. Now, anything else common you can find there? Here one 2 is there, but can you find a 2 in 24? No. Here there is a 3, but can you find a 3 in 16? No. So, whatever is common that we found. Here we have 3 2's are common. Here one set of 2 here. This is one set of 2 here. This is one set of 2. So, that what is common we have written in HCF. Now, anything else is not common. So, what is HCF? Only this much is HCF. So, what is the answer? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. So, what is HCF of 16 and 24? HCF of 16 and 24 is 8. So, we are in HCF, we are taking only what is common. That is the difference. Here, we are considering only which factors are common in both the given numbers. That is HCF. So, what is HCF here? 8. So, what is prime factorization? You know what is prime factorization. So, how we are finding HCF by prime factorization? First, we are prime factorizing the given two numbers. See, the main point is the numbers should be, the factors should be prime numbers. Then we are writing the prime factors and we are comparing the factors and writing what is common in both the factors, that is HCF. So, first we are prime factorizing the number, then we are comparing and writing what is common in the factors, that is HCF. We can look some more example for this type. Next example 20 and 48. So, if you are finding HCF by prime factorization method, The first step is we are prime factorizing the given two numbers. So here 20 and 48. So prime factorizing 20 starting with 2. 20 how many times? 10. Again 2 10 5 times. So 5 5 1. Now 48 2 again is an even number. So started with 2 48 24 again 24 into 12 12 into 6 6 into 3 3 again 3 itself 4. So what is the prime factorization? 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So confirm your answer. What is 2 into 2? 4. 4 into 5? 20. Here 48. 2 into 2 6. Sorry, 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 2 16. 16 into 3 48. So this is our prime factorization. Now we have to find HCF. So take what is common only here. Here what we have? One set of 2 is common. Again one set of 2 is common. Now nothing here. There are other set of 2 other but we don't have in 20. Here we have 5 but we don't have in 48. So what is only common here? 2. Here one set of 2 and one, that is what? So only 2 2's are common. That we have HCF is equal to 2 into 2. What is that? 4. So what is HCF of 20 and 48? HCF of 20 and 48 is 4. See the next example. The numbers are 9 and 14. So when we are prime factorizing, what are the factors of 9? 3 into 3 is 9. What is 14? 2 into 7 is 14. So we prime factorize the numbers and we got the factors. 9 is equal to 3 into 3. 14 equal to 2 into 7. But when we are comparing the factors, can you find out anything common here? We need to find HCF, isn't it? Here we have 3 but we don't have here 3. Here we have 2 but here we don't have 2. Here we have 7 but here we don't have 7. That means in short we can say in 9 and 14 there are no common factors. So can we say HCF is 0? No. In such cases HCF will remain 1. What is HCF? HCF will remain 1. So the numbers who's not having any common factors, their HCF will be 1. And we call these numbers as CoPrime. What we say? What we call these numbers? CoPrime. That means when the HCF of two numbers is 1, they are called CoPrime numbers. In other words, if two numbers are not having any common factors, they are known as CoPrime. So, what is CoPrime numbers? When two numbers have common factors as 1, or if their HCF is 1, then two numbers are said to be CoPrime. That means if they don't have any common factors other than 1, or if you are finding their HCF as 1, then that two numbers are said to be CoPrime numbers. So, understood what are CoPrime numbers? These numbers will not have any other common factors other than 1. Only 1 will be the common factor between these two numbers, so that we have HCF as 1. HCF will not be 0 but HCF will be 1 for CoPrime numbers. So, you find out another set of CoPrime numbers by yourself. Next example, 72 and 90. Find the HCF. So first we are prime factorizing 72 and 90. So prime factorizing 72 into 78 to 36. See, if you don't know how to divide, I said you can divide and check in the working column, normal division. Then what you are getting? Quotient, that you are writing here. See, when you are dividing, the thing you have to keep in mind is you have to divide, and if you are getting remainder 0, then only say we can say this is a factor. So here 72 is a even number and 2 is divisible. So when dividing 2 with 72 we are getting 36. Again 36 is an even number, so I divided with 2, I am getting 18. Again if I divide 18 with 2 I am getting 9. 9 is not an even number, so 9 divided with 3, what we get? 3. Again 3 is a prime number, so 3. So what is the prime factorization of 72? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next we are prime factorizing 90. So again starting with 2 because it's an even number, or otherwise if you want to prime factorize start with 3, it's also correct. 5 is also correct. So prime factorizing I am starting here with 2. So 2 in 90, 45 times. Now for 45 I am taking 5. Then 5 in 45, 9. again 9 in 3, 3, again 3. So what is the prime factorization of 90? 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Here I wrote in this way because to arrange it properly. Now we wrote the factors here. Now compare what is common. Here we have one set of 2 here, isn't it? In 90 we have only 1, 2. But in 72 how many 3? 3 3s are there. But we have only common what? 1. So one set of 2 is common. Next, here we have 1 3, here also 1 3. Again we have one more 3 here, here also one more 3 is there. Here we have 5, but here we don't have 5. So what is common here? So we have common. One set of 2 is common and two set of 3s are common here. So what is that? 2 into 3 into 3. What is that? 2 into 3 6, 6 into 3 18. So HCF of 72 and 90 is what? 18. Children, keep in mind that we are taking only what is common in both the factors. So, we discussed about HCF. We discussed both the methods of HCF by listing the factors and by prime factorization method. You can follow any method if in the question they are not specifying any method. If in the question they are specifying find HCF by listing factors, you have to find in that method, or find HCF by prime factorization method, you have to find in the specified method. Otherwise, you can follow any method for finding HCF. Copy down the notes given and attend the test paper. We'll meet with the next concept in the next video. Thank you.